you created a text ad. Every AdWords ad gets reviewed to make sure it's following our advertising policies. Some ads have to be approved before they can show. Help get your text ad approved by avoiding these common mistakes. We'll go through each one and let you know how to fix it. Most mistakes fall into two categories: mistakes with your ad's text or mistakes with your ad's URL. Let's start with your ad's text. First, make sure not to use excessive or gimmicky capitalization. For example, don't use all caps in your ad text or capitalize letters within a word. We want your ads to stand out for the right reasons, like your great products or deals, not because your ad looks unprofessional or gimmicky. You'll also want to look out for excessive punctuation and symbols. AdWords can disapprove ads with multiple exclamation points in your ad's headline, repeated punctuation or symbols, non-standard symbols like bullet points and vertical lines, or characters that don't match their true meaning, like using the @ symbol next to the word home to mean at home. Another thing to check is spacing. Make sure there aren't extra spaces between letters or words in your ad's text. Next, make sure you don't include any phone numbers in your ad headline or description. Instead, use call extensions or call-only ads to include a prominent phone number in your ad. Finally, make sure your ad's text is clear and accurately describes what you're selling. For example, your ad could be disapproved if it uses gibberish or random letters, or if your ad's text and URL don't match. So an ad selling shoes that uses google.com as its URL. Now let's talk about common mistakes with your ad's URL. Make sure that the display URL, the URL that people see in your ad, isn't mistyped, doesn't include HTTP or HTTPS, and doesn't use non-standard characters like exclamation points. Another common disapproval reason has to do with your URL's domain. Every website has a domain. For example, google.com in google.com/AdWords. In AdWords, all the ads with the same ad group need to have the same domain. Also, the domain for your ad's display URL, final URL, and landing page URL need to have the same domain. Basically, the website listed in your ads needs to accurately show the website that people will be taken to when they click on your ad. Let's go over an example of the policies we've talked about. Barbara wrote this ad for her flower shop and it got disapproved. There are 3 things that Barbara needs to do to fix her ad. First, she used all capital letters in buy flowers, which isn't allowed. Second, Barbara needs to remove the extra spaces in the word blooms. Third and finally, Barbara needs to fix the typo in her display URL so it matches her real website where her ad leads. Now, she's ready to go. Have you created a text ad that's been disapproved? Click this link and we'll help you get everything fixed. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll get all the latest AdWords tips videos. And while you're there, if you have questions, you can post them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.